Hey friends, on today's episode, we're going to talk about how to add more pops of color into your clothes. Stay tuned. Now, I talk to people all the time who love color and they want to wear more colorful clothes, but they just quite don't know how to do it. They're afraid of looking like a clown. I've had people say that to me, and people often comment to me, you inspire me to wear more color, so I went and bought a really colorful blouse, but I didn't wear it because I'm scared to do it. And so today on this episode, I am talking with Elyce Arons, who is the co-founder of Francis Valentine. And this is a lifestyle brand. If you haven't checked them out, definitely do. I'm going to put the link below in the description. And so Elyce is someone who wears a lot of colorful clothes, and it's just her lifestyle brand. And she's going to talk to us today about her best tips for how to include color into your clothes, how to start wearing it if you don't have the confidence, and why certain colors look good together. Now stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to tell you a little more about this interview and how it happened. Has dressing always been easy for you? Or is this something that you've kind of developed over time? How has this been for you? Because you obviously wear beautiful colors and you're not afraid of pattern.
I have never really been afraid of color. I am drawn to color. I think like most people, when you walk into a store, you kind of go to the colorful things first, even if you're kind of wearing black or wearing more neutral colors. I think all of us are sort of drawn to the yellow thing or the red thing or the pink thing, just to go look at it. And so that's always been something that's drawn me in. And when I was a younger person and very broke, I always went to vintage stores and, to find the most interesting, fun things. And a lot of those pieces have color in them. And so I think, over time, we all sort of, our style develops. And there were times in my life where I did wear all black. It was when I first moved to New York and it was the 80s and the uniform was black. So, and it's very safe and it's slimming and everything about black is great. But if you're, wanting to step out and kind of show your personality and your own individual style, I think color is a great way to do it.
Do you have a formula that you abide by?
Well, it's hard oftentimes to mix florals with florals. So I think it's better to have different scales if you're blending them together, a large scale floral with a smaller scale floral, or any scale floral with stripes always works really well. Yeah, I wear stripes a lot with florals or with solids because I just think they add such a nice layering component. So it's generally just making sure the scales are a little bit different and or the patterns work well together too.
Mm-hmm. I want to know, is there a general rule for how to wear a super bold print? Because these are bold. I see them paired with a very, ivory top. And then we have some black and ivory shoes. Is this just kind of a general rule of how people can do it? If they find a very cool pair of pants, it's hard to find the tops, like, wait, what do I do with that kind of thing?
I think it's a really good rule of thumb, at least for me, when we're styling something or putting something together, if you have something that's so incredibly bold, either colorful or a large scale print, it really does work best with something a little bit more solid or muted, I should say. I'm always a fan of our perfect white shirt and tying it at the waist with some big bold pants like this. And then you can wear any color of shoe. Like I would pick any color out of those pants, a green or a pink or something, and match the shoes with it. But oyster works just fine too. But yes, I think if you have something truly big and bold like that, that's outstanding, that's the thing that's really making your outfit sing. So that's something to focus on.
Why the pink pants? I see the green and the yellow and the black in the sweater. I see why the handbag, the shoes, the shirt underneath work. Why pink?
It's that beautiful splash of color that works with all three of these other colors involved. It works with the yellow handbag. and it works with the sweater and the shirt underneath. I loved these together. I feel like if you wore, an oyster pant there, it just wouldn't pop as much. It wouldn't look so, wow, look at that sweater.
Right. Or even black pants. So the difference between walking out in these pink pants in this outfit and walking out in a dark pair of pants that maybe blends with the shoes or the shirt underneath. This says I'm a style maven. Like
It does to me too. It just says
Yeah.
I have a point of view on my style. And who
Yeah.
doesn't love a pair of pink corduroy pants? I'm sorry.
You're talking to me, so yeah. But how do we give people the courage? They may go buy it, but then they're still afraid to wear. How do we give them the courage? Like, what advice do you have for them?
Well, I would say start small, and
Mhm.
you don't have to go and invest in a whole bunch of stuff, on the off chance that you'll wear it. But if you say you're a navy person or a person who wears a lot of black, or a neutral color of some kind, buy the best color of pink sweater you can find, and start by throwing it over your shoulders, and start
Mm,
that way. And I think that builds confidence, because everybody who sees that pink, if you're a pink person and it looks really good on you, they'll compliment you on the pink sweater, even though
yeah.
you have a full outfit on. It's that one poppy piece that always sticks out to everybody. So I think starting with a sweater, and then gradually you can throw it on or wear a vest, and layering is really a good way to start to add color. If
Yeah.
you're used to having a whole outfit of a particular color, throw in that really great print that's in yellow and red, or something
Mm,
a little bit special, because it's just kind of dipping your toes in, but it's getting a comfort level with doing it. Scarves
oh,
are a great way to do that too.
oh
Throwing a
yeah.
scarf over an outfit. I would buy a scarf made out of your wallpaper behind you and throw it
Yeah.
over a full navy outfit or full white outfit.
Yeah.
And that, you can get started that way. And I think it gives us all more confidence, and to know we actually have permission to do something like that,
Yeah.
because, it's really about reflecting our personalities. And the more we can do that, the better it makes us feel.
Now, I hope you're as inspired as I am. This interview with Elyce is just a small portion of the full interview that I did with her. And that full interview is found inside my Mix It Like a Style Maven course. And this course is just $57. It talks about how to add more color into your home. And you're going to see me mixing and matching fabrics and why certain ones work together and why certain ones don't. You're going to see how to add more color into your tabletop. And I'm going to show you my colorful dishes and plain dishes and how I do that on my tabletop just for everyday use, much less when people are coming over. And finally, I'm talking with Elyce Arons, and a stylist also, who is chiming in on how to add more color into your wardrobe and to give us the confidence that we all need. Be sure to check out the link below, Mix It Like a Style Maven, and let me know what questions you have. Didn't you just love this interview with Elyce? She's a gem. Until next week, friends. Bye-bye.